After an epic few days in the Swiss Alps, we finally rolled into Locarno, the sun-drenched lakeside town on the shores of Lake Maggiore. It was mid-afternoon when we arrived, our last stop in Switzerland before heading south to Italy.
Dinner for tonight is this is grilled pork.
This is briquette. This is a briquette here.
Huh? Baguette. Yeah, but this one, not the horse yet. This is the parking lot. Camping life.
Amazing! Locarno is a must-visit destination for its stunning combination of natural beauty, rich culture, and vibrant atmosphere.